Hispano-Suiza H6C Dubonnet Xenia is a unique and groundbreaking automobile that blends luxury, innovation, and aerodynamics. Built in 1938, this one-off car was a tribute to André Dubonnet's late wife, Xenia Howard Johnston, and showcased his engineering prowess and passion for automotive design. Based on the chassis of the Hispano-Suiza H6B, the Xenia was far from a standard production car, featuring advanced suspension, aerodynamics, and a striking Art Deco-inspired body. André Dubonnet, a French racing driver, World War I pilot, and inventor, began his automotive journey in the 1920s. He developed the Système Dubonnet, an independent suspension system that improved ride comfort by reducing unsprung weight. This system was first showcased on a modified Hispano-Suiza H6B at the 1932 Paris Motor Show. The success of this prototype led to the suspension being licensed by major manufacturers like General Motors, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat. In the mid-1930s, Dubonnet shifted his focus to aerodynamics, collaborating with engineer Jean Andreau. Together, they created the Dubonnet Dolphin, a Ford-based prototype that demonstrated significant improvements in speed and fuel efficiency. These innovations laid the groundwork for the Xenia, which combined Dubonnet's suspension system with Andreau's aerodynamic expertise. The Xenia was built on an H6B chassis, but featured the more powerful 7,983 cubic centimeters inline-six engine from the H6C model. This aluminum block engine produced 160 horsepower, enabling the car to reach an estimated top speed of 110 miles per hour. The car's 4-speed manual transmission was another upgrade over the standard 3-speed units used in production H6 models. The Xenia's body, designed by Jean Andreau and crafted by coach builder Jacques Souchik, was a masterpiece of Art Deco design. Its teardrop shape, wraparound windshield, and rear hinge sliding doors were revolutionary for the time. The car's aerodynamic features, including fender skirts and a streamlined tail, reduced drag and enhanced performance. The interior was equally luxurious, with blue leather upholstery and a wicker-trimmed steering wheel. During World War II, the Xenia was hidden to protect it from damage. It resurfaced in 1946, leading a parade in Paris. In the 1960s, it was restored by Alain Ballaré, president of the French Hispano-Suiza Club. Later, it was acquired by American collector Charles Morse, who restored it again and showcased it at prestigious events like the 2000 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, where it won Most Elegant Enclosed Car. In 2003, the Xenia was purchased by Peter Mullin, who added it to his renowned collection at the Mullin Automotive Museum in Oxnard, California. Today, the Hispano-Suiza H6C Dubonnet Xenia remains a symbol of innovation and elegance. Its combination of advanced engineering, aerodynamic design, and artistic craftsmanship ensures its place as one of the most iconic cars of the 20th century.